We have long division. Our dividend is decimal number and our divisor is decimal number. So first, our divisor must be always whole number. To have whole number, we need to move decimal point to the right side. And what else? When we move decimal point in our divisor, we have to do the same with our dividend. How many times we move the decimal point in our divisor, we have to do the same with our dividend. So in this example, we have to move decimal point 1 times to the right to get whole number. The same we have to do with our dividend. We move 1 times to the right. So now we will have 2 our divisor, and our dividend will be 446 decimal point 2. Now when our divisor is whole number, we can do long division. We do the same like we divide whole numbers. Only we have to remember to take up decimal point exactly in the same column. So from the beginning we have 4 and 2. How many times you can put 2 to 4? 2. At the top we have to write the answer. And now we have to do multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. Next is subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. What we do next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 4. And again, how many times we can put 2 to 4? 2 times. On top we write answer. And now we have to do multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We don't have to write. And we take down next digit. Will be 6. And again, how many times you can put 2 to 6? 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. We do subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. We don't have to write. And now what we have to do? We have to take decimal point to the top, to our solution. And next digit we have to take down. So we have here decimal point. And 2 we take down. Now, how many times we can put 2 to 2? 1, of course. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtraction, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we finish long division. And our solution will be whatever we have on the top. 2, 2, 3, decimal point 1.